Is your washer or dryer rejecting quarters or jamming during payment? This is the 704-41601 PUSA .25 coin drop. Munz LCZ package, a dependable replacement designed for smooth, accurate coin acceptance. It compares to part numbers 38,479, 704-41601, 38,479P, and F160720, making it an easy match for technicians and owners. Engineered for durability and precision, this coin drop helps prevent misreads, reduce downtime, and keep revenue flowing in busy locations. Ideal for laundromats, multi-housing properties, and on-premise laundry operations. Order the 704-41601P today from lowlaundry.com, your trusted source for commercial laundry parts.